Hi friends, this page is going to be exclusively for math menu extensions. So those are optional activities that you can use to grow your brain. Now I know a lot of you have taken home algebra, some of you have fraction algebra, and we will be doing and have the opportunity to do some of the decimal versatiles. But if you would like to have another opportunity to extend your learning in the areas of multiplication, division, and fractions, these are some of the options that I've created for you that I normally would put out in packet form. So instead of having them be in packet form, I have them in as part of like a Google slide that you will house inside of your Google Drive. So let's go ahead and look at what they're going to look like and how you can access them. So first of all, there are three categories: multiplication, division, and fractions. So if you wanted to review your multiplication in kind of a fun way, there's the opportunity to do the resort report, which is like a real world multi-digit multiplication math project. So what you would do if you're interested in trying it is you click on it, and then underneath it, this is going to pop up and it says Resort Report Google Slides. When you click on it, we want it to be individualized. So you go ahead and you can make a copy like that. When you make a copy, one is going to pop up inside of your drive and it would look like this. Okay, so it says, congratulations, you've just been put in charge of building a new resort. Your boss has given you a few guidelines to follow when setting up your resort, and you must give him a full report on how many items you purchased for the hotel and what the total cost will be before he approves the building to begin. Have fun and read the directions carefully so that your resort report is correct and your resort will be approved for building. So kind of neat. You get to start out by just clicking in the box. You can name your resort. Where would you, if you could build a resort, where would you build it? What would make your resort unique? This is where your creativity can be, and why would people want to come to your resort? And then you're going to go ahead and go through room types. So you get to decide how many of each of the following room types you want your hotel to have, but there is a minimum. You have to have a minimum of 100 rooms total and at least 10 of each type. So 1 bedrooms, premium, basics, and 2 bedrooms. You have to have 100 rooms total. So down here, these have to add up to 100. With a minimum of 10 of each type. Then as you move on, it's going to get to some of the really fun stuff, like how many rooms do you have? How many guests will fit in your room? So you're going to have to go back to this original and find out like how many beds would be in a premium suite. Like you're going to have to use this to be able to solve the problems as they go along. But super fun. It ends up being about it looks like about 10 slides long, but the additional ones at the end are just some extra things, like what if you had a family reunion, like some different things that go on the end of it. So this is kind of an exciting one if you want to practice your multiplication skills. Going back, where was I here? There we go. We also have one called a movie marathon. If you look at that one, you would have the same thing where you would make your own copy. In the movie marathon, you would actually design your own movie theater. And like how many rows would each theater have, how many people would be able to fit in your theater, and then you would be building it. So each of these times you're thinking of yourself as being someone that's designing it. And lastly, if you want to practice your fractions, there's one called Breaking Up the Bakery. And that one is really fun because you get to build your own bakery and you can draw your bakery's sign and logo. Like you could insert it with some Google Images by going insert image and upload it from the web or from your computer if you wanted to draw one and take a picture. And then you can put that in there. And then it's going to ask you some questions. And then you get to jump right into fractions with like cupcakes and bread and pie and brownies and how many that you're going to have in the store and what you're going to sell them and how you're going to do that. So this is kind of a neat one where it's asking you to think about fractions all the way through. So kind of neat and fun and interactive. Hopefully you like these. Please let me know if you have any questions and I can help you work your way through it. Otherwise, go for it and grow your brain, team. Bye.